Hi, I'm Dr. Nikhil Oberai, and today we are here at the Croft Dental Practice in Wimslow, and I want to talk to you about dental implants. So, a lot of my patients come to me and ask me, what is a dental implant? A dental implant is a way in which we can replace a missing tooth. Now, this can be done in various ways, but if we talk about the basics about it, that will be great. So, what happens if you have lost a tooth or your tooth has broken? You would then come in to see me for a consultation where we will go through the process to replace that tooth completely from start to finish. We will then give you a bespoke quotation in where you can see the breakdown of the cost. We pride ourselves in making sure that we are very clear and concise with the pricing of dental implants, so you know exactly what you are getting. So what would happen is that we would then go ahead, and the next step would be to place the dental implant within the bone. Now, we would sometimes need to do further investigations such as CBCTs and x-rays, and we have our own CBCT on site, so we wouldn't have to send you anywhere. And what happens is that gives us a 3D view of your jaw in which we can then plan where the implant is going to go. And this is what gives you the best possible result. You would then come in, we would put the implant in, and that takes approximately between 20 minutes and half an hour. We then need a healing period of around 12 weeks sometimes. Once the implant has healed with the bone, we can then place the teeth on top. In certain circumstances, we can potentially put the implant in and give you a crown on the same day. But this depends on the circumstances of the tooth, where it's located. So, for more information, come and see me for a consultation, and I look forward to giving you your tooth back and giving you your smile back.